The US is heading towards an economic crisis. You must be familiar with these headlines. In the US, 3 mid-sized US banks have been shut down and sold since the beginning of March. Now, these are the Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank and First Republic. It's a big deal for the US and even the world because this has posed a threat to economy. The failures are the biggest to hit the US since the 2008 financial crisis. Customers of these banks got so worried about the safety of their funds that they withdrew their money in a large number. But why did this happen? The central banks in the US and UK increased their interest rates sharply last year to try to cope with the rising prices. Now, this came as a shock because for many years the interest rates were quite low. Banks which were holding the debt that was issued when interest rates were lower saw the value of those assets completely tumble. The situation got so bad that when customers panicked and started taking out their money, their balance sheets were not strong enough to withstand the moves. Silicon Valley Bank, that used to be a strong support to the tech industry, got hurt as the sector slowed down. Customers panicked when it revealed in March that it needed to raise money. The worry spread, taking down Signature Bank a few days later and eventually First Republic. Is history repeating itself? The situation that US is in right now has raised suspicion that a crisis might arise like the one that happened in 2008, when banks around the world suddenly found they were exposed to rotten investments in the US housing market and the world got hit by a global economic recession. Since then, banks have taken care of 2 major things. Number 1, holding more capital, and number 2, tightening regulations around risk. So most experts believe that the impact of the situation can be taken care of. Still, the world of banking is extremely complicated and anything can happen at any point of time. So, what do you think about this issue? Let us know in the comment section, and for more, keep watching India TV.